Like Texas is so bipolar. The weather is 30 degrees one day, 40 degrees the next day, drops to 20 degrees, goes up to 50 degrees, and drops all the way to freaking 12 degrees. Like, that side, bro. Woohoo! It's been such a long time. By the way, we are gonna go to the gym. I am being very active. I like to go to the gym these days a lot more because I have a lot more time to go to the gym. Fifth gear. Look at the downshifts now. Oh my, this is boom, 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 boom. Woo-hoo! I haven't rode in such a long time that I forgot how to freaking ride. Like, I can't even shift properly now. Like, what the heck, bro? Yeah, Texas, like, what the heck? Don't do this to us no more, please. Por favor. Lütfen. Rica ederim. Woo-hoo! Downshift, downshift. Just a little bit of highway run. Please. Is that a cop? Seems like a cop. All the lights and stuff. Yeah. Keep it slow, brother. Keep it slow, brother. I don't know where this road goes, but let's go. Woo-hoo! Yeah! Brother! Downshift, 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 motherfucker! Hey, hey, hey. Epa. All right. Ooh, under bridge. You know what that means? That shit is fucking torquey. I almost died. I really don't know where I'm going. Let's just freaking go, I guess. Dillard's. I think I'm at the mall. That wasn't my intentions, but I guess. Let's go see what is this place. I want to go down there. I want to go down there. Northeast Mall. Okay. shit. I literally didn't want it to go to the mall, but the road just brought us here, man. Woohoo! What are you doing? Why are you stopping in the middle of the fucking road? Like, I don't get that. How do you guys like my pants? Fire like this, baby. Ooh, another one. Look at the turn, bro. Na 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 la la la. Like literally, the dude is on our fucking phone. Like, what the fuck, bro? You're driving. Don't care about yourself, care about everybody else. What the fuck is that? I gotta see what's that, man. Like, what is that? My brother! Woo! Brother, what are you doing? I don't know how long I was out. I was supposed to meet my friend around like maybe 6:20 or something at the gym, and I've been out for a while. Let's go to the gym. Nice. الدل شد خسته خسته رجالنكم بسته بسته هذا الدل. Görüşü simsende kaldın oldu, penceremde gül soldu, gece zaman doldu, sevdiğim dönmüyor. Alright, well, that was it. I'm gonna go to the gym, hit some iron. See you guys later.